To download Facebook Stories, first go to Play Store, then type and search Story Saver for Facebook. Then download and install it. I have already downloaded it, so I will open it. Now I'm going to download Facebook Stories. Then tap Login by username and pass and tap OK. Then enter your login details and tap Login. Then select whose stories you want to download. Then tap Download icon to download. Then you can download videos too by following the same steps. Then you can find those in the save folder or your phone gallery. That's it.